Good morning. So this is what it's like sandblasting in Florida in the summertime with about 95% humidity. It's not good for the compressor because it puts all kinds of water into the lines. Even though I've got 3 bleed valves, I'm still having problems with condensation getting in the sand. But yesterday I was able to get this whole section sandblasted up through here, across here, inside the engine bay, and today I'm working my way out of here and then back alongside. So that's where I'm at right now. Sandblasting's fun.